in the matter of People versus Joshua Lanto. Mr. Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, Counselor, you want to put your appearance on record?
Looks like Mr. Cooch left the room, Judge.
Is he anywhere to be seen?
What? This is what he's out. Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't, that's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery.
All right, guys, today we're diving into a person most of you already know, and not in a good way. This is the type of human who says outrageous things and somehow believes they make sense. I'll be honest, I have some personal disdain here, because on a panel over on Troll Mafia Official, one of my favorite channels, this guy actually suggested that CPS should take my 20-year-old son away from me all because a winter storm knocked out my power for a few days. Let that sink in. Josh, CPS does not remove grown adults from their parents' homes due to a few days without electricity. If you want to see the full video without my commentary, it's over on Happens channel. I highly recommend you head over there, watch the entire thing, and subscribe now. Let's get into the madness.
It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
You want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they send me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
I'm sorry, Judge, but this guy doesn't have enough molars in his head to grasp something as basic as a request for discovery, or to realize that he and his attorney have already filed it. It's almost impressive how confidently he misunderstands something that's already been done.
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, the very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I haven't sent this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
Well, he'd probably like the Tooth Fairy to stop showing up unannounced, but I guess he'll settle for a 30-day extension for discovery. It's almost cute how his expectations and reality never quite match.
See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all, and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts, and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Well, according to him, you don't have jurisdiction, and you're not handing him any liquefied crayons to eat so naturally. Why would he listen to anything you have to say? It's amazing how he turns every court rule into a personal affront.
Oh, yeah?
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then number
what we're
two.
asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no, the proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
well, I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
Well, you know how Einstein defines insanity. It's asking the same questions over and over and somehow expecting a new set of incisors as an answer. It's almost impressive how consistent he is with being completely wrong.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
when
thing I
you
could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Then maybe you should have shut the gaps in your mouth, because the only reason the judge is asking you to appear in person is so he can handle your contentious behavior firsthand. It's like the court is just bracing for the chaos you're guaranteed to bring.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me and then you said I'm talking crazy?
No, you got it
Did I
reversed.
just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
Reasonable person by whose standards Webster's, Oxford, or Colgate. In fact, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you don't have the dental fortitude to redefine the phrase reasonable person. It's almost impressive how confidently you misunderstand something so basic.
No, you said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Like I said at the start, I can't stand this stick flute, so I'll be back in 30 days to react to the only person I know who can lick a window without opening their mouth. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you disliked it, leave a dislike. But don't forget to drop a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content. I'm Team Seju Shah signing off.